Hello friend, welcome to Around the World Reviews YouTube channel. This video discuss about why these are the 10 best wrinkle-free travel clothes to buy in 2023. So let's start my video. These are the 10 best wrinkle-free travel clothes to buy in 2023. Summary: wrinkle-free clothes are a game changer for travelers, ensuring a sharp, polished looks even after being stretched in the suitcase of hours. Synthetic blends like polyester and wrinkle resistance finish are key features of wrinkles free clothing, making them lightweight, breathable, and perfect for diverse climates. For activities, clothing making a lightweight, breathable, perfect diverse climate and activities. Wrinkles free clothing is an intelligent pack choice, providing convenience, saving time, and enhancing the overall travel experience for both men and women. When traveling, an explorer clothing can be wore a road time inside for trying to figure out what you wear and airports they likely be on the plane. And for a few hours, wrinkles are not of the worst things to happen to clothes, and as the travelers goes from location to location, wrinkle-free clothes where it's when just setting around the world. Aside from avoiding the obvious problem of wrinkle in clothing, it's also help travelers have space of mind about their appearance. It's a travelers is hoping on the cheapest flight is the tropical destinations. They don't have they have time to steam clear clothes. Typically, wrinkle clothes and free clothing is structured in certain blends like polyester and threaders like rental resistance finishing. Giant garments are lightweight, breathable, and duration, making them perfect to diverse climate and diverse activities. Whether to on a business trip, exploring new destinations, on concern about maintaining a polished appearance during a journey, wrinkle-free clothing is an intelligent packing choice, having the explorer time and enchanting and travel experience. Nike or Dry Fit Slam. Every traveler has felt overstretched in an airport, but this casual T-shirt ensures that man everywhere can feel relaxed, hip, and fashionable. Even at airport lines, crafted with a blend of high-performance fabrics, these garments are designed of the one of the go travelers engineered with dry fit technology. They wick away moisture to keep the wearer cool and comfortable during their journey. And set them apart of is their remarkable wrinkle resistance properties, ensuring a sharp and polished look even after being established in the suitcase. Product: Nike Dry Fit Slam. Price: great for casual wear and warmer climate, undershirt in cooler climates. Nocta Gulfman's half zip jacket. Jacket should never be overlooked as the travel necessary. The Nocta Gulfman's 1.2 zip jacket, a masterpiece of travel attire, shamelessly blends style and practically for the modern globe broker. The jacket is other sleek, solid, and impeccable comfort, ensuring travelers arrive their destination impeccable. Its innovation, wrinkle resistant technology effortlessly maintain a polished appearance throughout the journey. Product: Nocta Gulfman's half zip jacket, great for colder airport and early morning travel. Nike Yoga Dry Fit Women 7 to 8 flex joggers. As a woman travels can be hassle inspiring comfortable and wrinkle-free outfit is difficult for adventurous female travelers. The Nike Yoga Dry Fit Women 7 to 8 layers joggers are the epitome of fashionable and wrinkle-free travel wear. These joggers blends style joggers and the optimized of fashionable and practically allowing women and embark as journey with confidence at their appearance. Infused with dry fit technology, they remain breathable and moisture wicking, ensuring comfort during lost trips. With trickles resistance fabric also means that no matter what situation a traveler puts them in, they bounce back, keepers the look crisp and sharp throughout the journey. Product Nike Yoga Dry Fit Women 7 to 10 fake joggers. Great for long journey and early morning travel. YT MNTS Black Logo T-shirt. One of the most important tips of minimalist packing for a long flight is to take what our travel need to know. The VTMNTS Black Logo T-shirt is an excellent example of this minimalist mindset. Even after hours of travel, this T-shirt maintains its fresh appearance. Its versatility allows it to transition seamlessly from day night, making it perfect for exploring new destinations or attending casual evening events. Product VTMNTS Black Logo T-shirt, great for casual travel, warmer climate and long journeys. Undercover red fight war sweatshirt. With so many things to do at the airport during layovers, worrying about wrinkles is an outfit should be at the bottom of the list. The undercover red fight war sweatshirt optimizes style and convenience in wrinkle-free travels. Entire its unique design and massage make a bold statement, while a wrinkle-resistant fabric ensures a fresh look. And no matter how far to the journey, this sweatshirt is not just a fashion choice but the companion for travelers seeking comfort and expressions. Product Undercover red fight war sweatshirt, great for long journey, cooler climates and casual travel. VTMNTS Embroidered Logo Denim Jacket. Denim jacket are perfect for surviving long haul flight. Is economy seating. The VTMNTS embroidered logo denim jacket are distinctive piece is a collection for wrinkle-free travel. Fashion its signature style. The wrinkle-resistant fabric offers a perfect fusion of a perfect and practically ensure travelers remain effortlessly sharp throughout their journey. This jacket is not merely an outer layer but a statement of individuality and versatility. Product VTMNTS Embroidered Logo Denim Jacket, great for casual travel, long journeys, general water. Diesel Black 1994 Skinny Jean. Skinny jeans have gotten a reputation for being a little dated in a general fashion scene, but they serve a great purpose where traveling. Its visitors was to avoid wrinkles. Diesel Black 1994 skinny jeans are a quintessential choice of wrinkle-free travel clothing. These jeans offer the ideal balance for choice and practically ensure that travelers embark for their journey with confidence. Nothing avoids wrinkles like denim, and their sleek design makes them a versatile option for diverse destinations and activities. Product Diesel Black 1994 skinny jeans, great for casual travel, general wear and fashionable outfit. Raja Waffle knit Hanley hoodie sweaters. Heading to the best winter destination for the adventurous. Travelers might miss dressing warm but can a person outfit offered warm and also stay wrinkle free. The versatile sweater combines style and convenience, making it an ideal for choice for those who crave a comfortable yet chic travel experience. The wrinkle-free fabric ensures that there's nothing to smooth out even after hours on a plane. It's the perfect blend. It's the perfect blend to of trendy and smart of the adventurous travelers. Product Raja Waffles Knick Hanley hoodie sweaters. Great for cold weather travel activities in colder climate or winter early morning flight. Long versus short flight, which is more comfortable and why? Kelton Active Long Sleeve Tee. Long sleeves are useful for traveling, especially if the flight travelers is the early morning hours. This tea offers both comfort and a sharp look, ideal for those constantly on the move, crafted with wrinkle resistance. Fabric aids maintains a polished appearance regardless of long sleeves are useful or traveling, especially flight traveling early morning hours. These three offer a both comfort and sharp look, ideal for constantly off the moves. Crafted residency fabrics maintains a polished appearance regardless of the journey duration. Its sleek design and versatile wearability make it an ideal choice for for moves. Different travelers can yet weather a brisk morning and versatility. It maintains a polished appearance regardless, especially as flight travelers in the early moves chain crafted with the wrinkle resistant fabrics. It maintains a polished appearance regardless. Different travel seniors whether it's a breaks morning jobs, urban exploration or a long flight. Product Kelton Active Long Sleeve Tee, great for travel to colder climates, early morning flight to long journeys. The Mikey High Waist Wide Leg Jeans. Nothing is nearly as comfortable as a pair of jeans that gives a traveler some rooms and a effortless blend of style and wrinkle-free. Practically, they ensure a sharp look no matter the duration of the journey. The wide leg design adds a touch of elegance suitable for various travel activities, whether it's mentoring or foreign market, exploring new terrains or attending casual evening gathering. The Mike High waist wide leg jeans elevate the travel experience, embodying the commitment, the wrinkle-free on-the-go style. Product The Mikey High waist wide leg jeans, great for casual travel, general wear, and fashionable outfit. We hope you like the item we recommended and discussed. The Travel has affiliate and sponsor partnership. so we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।